Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL Vibe Beam wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a factory reset or a hard reset back to the factory default settings on them. Now, we're going to use the back of either one of the earbuds. It doesn't matter. Now, and you might want to do this for troubleshooting if these earbuds are not synced to one another. So you're not getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, or there's volume differences or stuff like that because they're not properly synced together. Not only will this reset them, but it will re-sync them as well together. Also, if they're not pairing with your Bluetooth device or anything like that, they keep disconnecting, this factory reset will fix a lot of things and really easy to do. So all we need to do is we're going to take the earbuds out of the case, and then either one, it doesn't matter, we're just going to do 2 fast taps and then a long hold. So make sure you do this fast enough, because if you do it too slow, it won't do it. But you're just going to go like this. Tap, tap, hold for 5 seconds on either one, left or right. Tap, tap, hold for 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, release, put the earbuds back in your case. They'll be reset, and now you can take them out and set them up like they are brand new. So if this video helped you, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.